Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this we have attended the Adventure Overland Show 2018. This is the first time that this event has been shown in the spring. I will let you go through the pictures and videos I've got and I'll give you my feedback near the end. Thank you. So there we are, another show. All honestly, I didn't like it. The format has been changed, the layout was changed, we had to park quite far away and I had to walk through quite a lot of mud to get to the show. There wasn't as many stalls, there was half as many vehicles, and I really hope that the show in September is back to its normal format. Unfortunately, I don't think this format's worked. I do believe that it's good to have it in the spring, but I think we should look at different ways of doing this. If anyone's listening, I'm sorry if you don't like my feedback, but in all, it's just a social event it was in spring. See you in the next video.